like and subscribe. Free crypto bro.
I am not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice. Always do your own research and invest at your own risk. What's up my crypto people, welcome to another video. In this one I will show you another Dogecoin faucet with payments to FaucetPay. As always I will leave a link in the description below, so feel free to join. Okay guys, so this is how this faucet looks like. There's a couple of things that I need to say. So the first time when you visit this site, you will need to watch one 15 seconds advertisement to be able to start claiming. Okay, I have not recorded this part, but it's just a simple PTC advertisement. The second thing that you will need to do if you are accessing this on your PC or laptop and you have an ad block, you will need to disable your ad block. Okay guys, so after you do those two things, you can start claiming. So this is how the site looks like. Anyways, they have a FaucetPay link here. They also have a Timewall, so you can earn some extra Dogecoin by doing tasks on Timewall. They also have this earn more section. They have PTC ads from the Fastcoin's offerwall provider. They also have a Telegram bot, Telegram channel, and an Android app miner, so you can check that out for yourself. I have not installed this, but yeah. Anyways guys, when you want to start claiming, you need to put your FaucetPay email, so not your Dogecoin address, and after that we click claim. So you will have one advertisement opened, and the same thing that when the first time you visit this site, you will need to wait 15 seconds. So you will have a timer here. You can't see it now on the screen, but there will be a timer on your tab that will count down from 15 to 0. And that's basically it. We have claimed Dogecoin. Here's the payment proof on FaucetPay. The name of the site is Dogefaucet.fun. 75k Dogecoin satoshis per claim. Unlimited claims, so you can claim as much as you want. Thanks a lot for watching guys, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.